Halloween night 2025, a 911 call, a husband attacked, and the evidence that sealed his wife's fate. What you're about to see is how one arrest became a masterclass in domestic violence prosecution.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Police department. Sir, is it okay if we step over here and talk? Just away from the door?
They're. I'm gonna hang up now. The police just arrived. I'm outside.
Right now. You're a little.
Sorry.
Tell them. Tell them. He's a little. No, I'm gonna stand right here. He's a little bitch.
I have majority of it on recording.
Okay.
She attacked me, pushed me to the AC unit, and jumped on top of me. She was holding me in a fucking headlock against the side of the wall. I had to push the bed. She fell behind me and was choking me.
Okay.
Scratching at my arms. I don't see any marks, but she was like pinching and doing this, so I couldn't breathe.
Okay. Did you need any medical attention or want to get checked out?
I need to get checked out. My back is on fire right now because she pushed me over the AC unit.
Okay. How old are you?
25.
25.
I want to press charges.
Yes, sir. Can you start fire 55?
She's
27-year-old
drunk.
male complaining about me.
She's drunk.
Okay. Who is she to you?
She's my wife.
Your wife? Okay.
My wife.
How long have you guys been together?
It's October.
Definitely.
A year and 2 months.
You're in 2 months? Okay.
We got married last October.
Okay. Is it okay if I take a look at your back?
That's fine.
Okay. Are you able to just lift up your shirt a little bit?
I'm sorry. I'm scared.
That's alright.
You live here?
Oh, is it okay if I just lift it up a little bit? Okay. Alright.
Her dad witnessed her too.
Do you have your videos that you were saying?
Fuck, I have my wallet. I have my work phone. I have it on. I have some of it on this one.
Okay.
I need to get the phone though because the majority of it's on that one where she actually pushed me and pinned me against the wall.
Okay. Well, which ones do you have on here?
I have. And she kept hanging up. I called 2 times on this phone. She was snatching the phone over and over again, and then so it was multiple hang-ups because of her.
So are these your glasses right here?
Yeah, the ones that she threw at my face.
Yeah.
You guys saw that, right?
Yeah, we saw it.
She ripped those off my face in the bedroom. This is the first one. So I was trying to go to the bathroom, and she walked in and went and closed the door.
Okay.
Just trying to go to the bathroom, that's all. And this is after she opened the cupboard, and then she also ripped the light socket cover off of that. She got physical and started beating the wall and stuff like that, and she got my face before this. That's why I was recording her for my own defense, because I need to sit down, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Jose, if you want, we can... Are you able to open this tailgate and sit on that? Or do you just want to go down to the curb, or...?
Let's go on the curb.
Get out, please. Back up.
I never thought it would get this point.
Okay. Have you guys ever had any incidents like this in the past?
She's the little small ones where she's throwing shit at me, and she gets outright messed up when she's drunk.
But nothing as severe as this?
This is the worst it's gotten.
Okay.
This is the point where she's outright assaulted me. This is the first one.
You're getting physical. Move out. Please back up. I want you to go to the bathroom. That's all I want right now.
This is like where it really escalated.
Please back up. I'm trying to go to the bathroom.
You're gonna record me.
Please back up. You are drunk. Go sit down. Drink some water.
Record me.
Her dad has our son.
Okay.
You're pitting me in the
How old is the son?
He's 7 months.
7 months.
He was asleep during this until we went and got him.
I'm not pinning shit, dude. Nobody wants to pin you or anything.
This is after she got in my face and was
You
like
or anything. Record
kind of backing against the wall in the bathroom.
Get out of my face, please. I'm trying to go to the bathroom. That's all. You're drunk. Go sit down and drink some water. Stop drinking alcohol.
Joe.
You can see the outlets were ripped apart. She did that.
Okay.
And she slammed the door.
And is that the only one you have on this one?
I have one more. I record coming out of the bathroom.
Coming out. Can you please just get away from the door?
She's outside the door.
You're pretending to wash your hands.
I was washing my
Oh,
hands.
you're recording me.
Can you back up, please?
I'm against the wall. What the f more do you want? You're recording me.
You got physical. Back off.
Okay. Is this the one you were calling from, or?
This is the phone I was calling from. So what I did was I went in the bedroom, grabbed my work phone, recorded with that one instead, and then I turned this one off and called my grandfather, asked him to come help me because I was just going to take my son and go over to his place because she's already drunk, and I didn't feel safe because she was already getting physical with me.
But this is the one you called 911 from?
It is.
Are you able to show me the call logs for it? Okay.
911. She hung up. She was snatching the phone. I think this is after she pushed me over the AC unit, and I fell back.
Oh.
And then they tried to call back. I couldn't answer because she was like literally attacking me. And that's, I think during that call, that's the call where she was choking me and all that stuff like that.
Oh, okay. And is that the one where we came out the door and we were here? Is that the one you were
That
on?
is, yeah,
with
yeah.
them? Okay.
That is. She had like both hands, like one like this, almost.
Okay.
And she was grabbing my neck.
Okay.
And then at one point, I think it was her left hand because she eventually fell over me where she had managed to push me between the wall on the floor, between our bed and the wall, right? Okay. So I was there, a very small space, kind of my width, right? Okay. And then she was still trying to get to me because I'm on the phone with 911 and stuff. So she fell over me, got behind me, squeezed behind me. And that's when she put her hands around me and started choking me.
So when you guys were on the floor is when she was choking?
Yes.
You? Okay.
Yeah, she got behind me and put me in a headlock and started choking me.
Okay. And then where did you feel the pressure?
I felt it right here.
On
like like right here.
Like on your right side?
I felt the pressure directly in the middle of my neck.
Okay.
But I know her left arm was over me while she was reaching for the phone, trying to grab it while I was on the phone with 911.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second, okay? Yeah.
So we got the glasses to come out.
She
admitted to everything.
Oh, she did admit to pushing him over and then
she took her to camera. She said she did punch him and slap him in his face multiple times. He did not ever get physical with her. But she admitted to being the only physical one.
Okay. Yeah, he's got video of like in between the fighting, and then he's got really visible marks being pushed over an AC unit. And then we got interference with communication.
You trying to stop?
What was that?
You trying to stop him?
No, she hung up the phone from him.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'll say we have the rest of the video of the physical side. Yeah, Mr. So basically just the battery and then the telephone communication. So, yeah.
You said he was getting choked, right?
Yeah,
check out that?
Yeah, the back.
Who's this guy here?
What?
Put your
What?
No. Put your
You're
hand
arresting me? You're serious right now. You're fucking serious right now.
Don't move because I don't put these tight on you. I'm gonna take this watch off you so I can put the cuffs on. Because the cuff doesn't fit.
What? Can you tell me why you're doing this?
I'll explain it all here in a second.
Under New Mexico Statutes Section 3315, battery against a household member is a misdemeanor. But what elevates this case is the totality of evidence officers collected in under 10 minutes. First, the victim's detailed statement. Officers documented specific acts: pushing, choking, scratching. Second, video evidence. The suspect's own actions captured on the victim's phone became irrefutable proof. Third, real-time observation. Officers witnessed the suspect throw glasses at the victim upon arrival. This creates what prosecutors call a three-pillar case: the statement, recording, and direct observation. The second charge, interference with emergency communications under NMSA 3012-1. The victim reported multiple attempts to call 911 while the suspect physically grabbed his phone. This is a fourth-degree felony in New Mexico, punishable by up to 18 months imprisonment. Notice the officer's statement. Even if you didn't want to press charges, you have to.
Well, actually, you put under arrest right now.
What?
Battery against a household member.
What? You're joking.
Possibly, yeah.
You're the fucking joking.
Wait. Move your hand back.
You're joking. Don't shut the door. You're dude. Arresting me. Okay. Come over here and watch your son. You Are you serious right now? What are you
Rick,
doing?
11.5. She's only got 41.15.
What are you doing?
21:15 to 22:45.
What are you doing? Go where? Shut. Go to the baby. Go to the baby.
Watch your step.
Are you serious right now? No.
Alright, go ahead and get the unit. Get the unit.
Please just let me go, my baby, right now.
Let's see. My friend just texted.
I didn't do anything wrong to him. He's a he did this to me. So bitch, dude. I'm telling you. He did this to me. He pissed me off. And so I showed him what's up. I told him because he pissed me off.
You don't think you any
Do you have kids? Do you have kids?
I don't. I don't think she has.
Do you have kids?
You didn't do everything, so.
He pissed me off. Please.
Go and have a seat.
Please don't put me in there. Please. I did this because he pissed me off.
Yeah, just because someone pisses you off, then you can do all that. Especially right in front of us.
What did I do? Oh my God.
Alright, man, there's nothing in there. You just checked it, it's clear, so if anything's found in there, it's going to be attached to you, okay? Go ahead and take a seat.
No, I'll explain it to you in a second.
Are you fucking serious, dude? Oh, fucking. This is tight.
So, the state of New Mexico, there's a no tolerance for domestic violence. So, essentially, even if you didn't want to press charges, we have to.
I want to personally, because this has gone way too far.
Well, she's going to jail. She's going to jail for the battery charges. She might get out in the morning Saturday. It depends on the judge. If not, she'll get out Monday. They'll call you, let you know she's getting out.
I'm not going to pick her up.
That's fine. You don't have to pick her up.
Yeah.
They'll just call you, let you know that she's out, just so you're aware. Is that about a restraining order, order protection?
In New Mexico, domestic violence is a state crime. The state prosecutes regardless of victim cooperation. This policy exists because victims often recant under pressure, fear, or dependency. The suspect's statements during arrest are legally significant. He pissed me off, so I showed him what's up. This is an admission of intentional battery. Anger is not a legal defense to assault. Her later claim, he did this to me, contradicts her admission and the video evidence. Officers correctly applied the primary aggressor analysis under New Mexico law. They assessed who initiated contact, who sustained injuries, who attempted to retreat. The victim showed back injuries and documented attempts to escape to the bathroom. The suspect showed no injuries, and her own videos proved she pursued and cornered him. Post-arrest procedures were textbook. Immediate custody notification and booking timeline explained.
How does restraining order work with
A child.
child? So whoever, if you're the petitioner and you get it approved, then you get custody of the child.
I don't. I'll figure it out, but yeah, probably a restraining order.
You go to district court. You guys call this before? Do you have any other case numbers?
I've called before because she's thrown shit at me, and she's gotten a little physical before too, but not like this. Like, she's usually calmed down a little bit, but it's always been when she's been drinking.
Okay.
The last time she drank, nothing got physical. She just kind of got dumb, started talking some shit, decided to cheat on me, and that was that.
Oh, photo.
She's on top of me, man. Please send the cop.
Yeah, sorry. And this, so I guess it didn't record where I fell over. I must have stopped. But basically, I'm on the floor at this point, and she's on top of me.
Don't get out. Don't get out.
Stay in the car.
Charges against me?
The state of New Mexico is pressing charges against you.
What did I do?
You battered your husband.
He hit me.
You just told this officer that he didn't. We have video proof of you on top of him.
We saw you throw the glasses at his face when we walked up.
What?
You threw glasses at his face when we were walking up.
And
My
she's covered in marks.
My glasses?
Doesn't matter
Dude,
whose
That I
glasses
can't even see?
Doesn't matter whose glasses they are. You threw them at his face right in front of us.
You're arresting me for what?
We told you, battery on a household member. We need you to have a seat and put your feet in the car. Battery on a household member. So have a seat and put your feet in.
You're arresting me because he's a bitch?
Okay.
Put your feet
Seat in
aside.
the car.
I'm not gonna keep telling you.
Officers advised on protective orders, which under NMSA 4013-3 can include child custody provisions. Let's evaluate officer performance. De-escalation 9 out of 10. Clear, calm communication throughout. Evidence collection, 10 out of 10. Documented statements, injuries, video, and real-time observations. Legal procedure, 10 out of 10. Proper arrest authority, Miranda not required for spontaneous statements. Victim support, 9 out of 10. Medical assessment offered, legal process explained, resources provided. The key lesson: document everything. Video evidence is the strongest corroboration in domestic cases. If you're a victim, record safely when possible. Call 911 immediately. Cooperate with prosecution. Remember, domestic violence typically escalates. This victim reported prior incidents that were less severe. Early intervention and protective orders can prevent escalation to serious injury or homicide. This case demonstrates why Bodycam footage is critical for accountability and evidence preservation. The suspect's arrest, statements, and evidence will all be admissible at trial or plea negotiations. Real accountability requires evidence-based prosecution, which these officers delivered perfectly. For analysis of officer tactics, legal breakdowns, and case outcomes, subscribe to this channel. Justice isn't just about arrests, it's about evidence that holds up in court.